Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Pas fâché. Pas fâché. You should study more. You should study more. Ou ta dwe étudier plus. Ou ta dwe étudier plus. We have to go. We have to go. Nous devons aller. Nous devons aller. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Pas gaspiller temps. Pas gaspiller temps. You need to rest. You need to rest. Ou besoin reposer. Ou besoin reposer. Try to be strong. Try to be strong. Essayez vin fort. Essayez vin fort. Stay close to me. Stay close to me. Rete près moi. Rete près moi. There is no place like home. There is no place like home. La caille c'est la caille. La caille c'est la caille. He told me about you. He told me about you. Li te parlem de ou. Li te parlem de ou. Come to me. Come to me. Vini joindre moi. Vini joindre moi. Tell me about your family. Tell me about your family. Parlem de famille ou. Parlem de famille ou. I need to know. I need to know. Mwen besoin konnen. Mwen besoin konnen. I have no idea. I have no idea. Mwen pa konnen. Mwen pa konnen. Come with me. Come with me. Vin avem. Vin avem. Anything else? Anything else? Ou vle yon lot bagay encore? Ou vle yon lot bagay encore? I'm at home. I am at home. Mwen la kay mwen. Mwen la kay mwen. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. Fem konnen si ou bezwen n'importe bagay. Fem konnen si ou bezwen n'importe bagay. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. Mwen pa d'accord avec ou. Mwen pa d'accord avec ou. Hold on. Hold on. Yon moment. Yon moment. My brother is sad today. My brother is sad today. Frère moi yon triste jodi ya. Frère moi yon triste jodi ya. They will let you know. They will let you know. Yo pral fè ou konnen. Yo pral fè ou konnen. Where do you live? Where do you live? Ki kote ou habite? Ki kote ou habite? Is the seat taken? Is the seat taken? Est-ce que place ça occupé? Est-ce que place ça occupé? Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Ça j'ai pas ouais qu'est pas tourné. Ça j'ai pas ouais qu'est pas tourné. You did right. You did right. Ou te fait bien. Ou te fait bien. I was late. I was late. Moi t'es en retard. Moi t'es en retard.